Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I am Teacher Dipti. I hope you all are enjoying your PT exercises and your art and craft assignments. Children, before we could start with our today's work, let's check the answers of the homework given to you in our previous class held on 23rd July 2020. Name the following: a person who dances. Come on, children, tell me, what do we call a person who dances? Yes, dancer. A person who sings. Very good, singer. A person who paints. Excellent, painter. Children, we have already seen the play Tenali Raman Draws a Picture. Let's revise it today. One day, the messenger came to Tenali Raman and told him that the king wanted to meet him. But Tenali Raman told him to tell the king that he was busy. When the king got this message, he went to see Tenali Raman and asked him what he was doing. Raman told the king that he was drawing a picture. The king was shocked to see the board empty, and when he asked Raman about the painting, he said that he had drawn a cow eating loads of grass. The king said that he could neither see the cow nor the grass. Raman replied that the cow walked away after eating all the grass, and hence the board was empty. It is quite a funny play, right, children? And I hope that you all must have seen few more funny stories of Tenali Raman. So now let's move to our question answer part. Answer the following. What did the king ask Tenali Raman to explain? Answer. The king asked Tenali Raman to explain about his drawing because he could not see anything on the board. What kind of person was Tenali Raman? Answer. Tenali Raman was a funny person who used to make people laugh with his conversation. Children, we all know how to frame answers. And in our next question, answers are already given. What we have to do is frame questions. So let's see how to do it. There are two types of questions: yes or no questions, WH type questions. Yes or no questions. These questions are made by using is, are, have, did, can, do, will, etc. at the beginning of a sentence. For example, do you like ice cream? Have you ever seen a lion? WH type questions. The words like who, what, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, and how are used to frame questions. For example, why are you late? How many cars are there? So now let's solve our next exercise. Here the statements are given and a clue for the questions. You have to use the clue and select the correct question. The cow walked away after eating the grass. For this answer, children, tell me what will be the correct question? How did the cow walk away? Or when did the cow walk away? Yes. When did the cow walk away? I am 9 years old. Come on, tell me what will be the correct question for this statement? How old are you? Or why old are you? Very good. How old are you? My name is Tenali Raman. What will be the correct question, children? Why is your name? Or what is your name? Yes. What is your name? I can come and meet you at 10 a.m. Come on, tell me what will be the correct question for this statement? When can you come and meet me? Or what can you come and meet me? Very good. When can you come and meet me? My favorite color is purple. Come on, tell me what will be the correct question? How is your favorite color? Or which is your favorite color? Yes. Which is your favorite color? I am going to my uncle's place. Come on, children. Now try to frame the question for this statement. Yes, very good. Where are you going? I am fine, thank you. Come on, try to frame the question for this statement. Excellent. How are you? Yes, I do help my mother in household chores. Come on, try to frame the question for this. Very good. Do you help your mother in household chores? Well done, children. I hope you all enjoyed framing questions today. For written work, please refer Assignment 1 and Assignment 2. And once you complete your writing, ask your parents to check, sign, and write the date with a blue pen. That's it for today. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.